most merciful. Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hopefully you all are doing well. I am your maths teachers and today's our topic is number names. So let's open the copy page number 57 and at the top you have to write down the date. Today is 2nd. The month is 12 and that is December. And the year is 2020. The day is Wednesday. Topic is number names and the focus is 18. So in this video you will be able to read, learn and write the spelling of number 18 by yourself. As you know that in school we have learned the number names from 0 to ONE till number 17. So today we are going to write and learn the spelling of number 18. Before starting the writing of the letters of number 18, here are the picture and you have to tell me that how many Mickeys are there. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are the 18 Mickeys. Okay, and today is our topic and the number name is 18. So after that now I have to tell you that how you are going to write in your copy. There are the blocks in your maths copy and you have to write down in block and leave the one block and after that you have to write on the second block. So here is write down the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first letter of number 18 is 8. Okay. Now I will tell you the easy way how to write and learn the spelling of number 18. So you know the spelling of 8. So read with yourself the spelling of 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. It is very simple and you have learned in your nursery class. So how you are going to write the spelling, complete spelling? There are 7 numbers and these 7 numbers have the same pronunciation and the same sound. So read with me. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So have you focused on the pronunciation and the sound of these numbers? At the last, at the end, इसमें जो साउंड प्रोनाउंस होती है वो टीन की आवाज आती है. टीन, 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 टीन. So whenever there is a number, you have to focus on the sound and pronunciation. If the number produces the teen sound at the end, you have to write down the spelling of T-E-E-N, teen. Now look at here. Here are the letters T-E-E-N, teen, T-E-E-N, teen. This is the same teen. Teen, teen, teen and teen. So these are the 7 numbers and they are also called teen numbers. They are also called teen numbers because they produces the sound of teen and at the end we add T-E-E-N, teen. So the thing is that you have to remember the spelling of the starting letters. For example, here is number 14. So 14, do you know the spelling of 4. Here is the spelling of 4. F-O-U-R, 4. And you already have learned and revised the spelling of T-E-E-N-T. Just add these 4 letters. So it will become number 14. Similarly, number 18. So read with yourself the spelling of 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. And after that you have to add T-E-E-N-T. So you have to draw the semicircle, and after that you have to draw the tilt line, and this is E. Remember that whenever you are writing the letters or the numbers in the block, so you have to touch the block line. Okay. After that, what comes after E? The second letter is I. After that, G. So how you have to write the G? Draw the semicircle like this and come towards and come below the line. G must be below the line. Okay? The tail of the G must be below the line. This is G. After that, H, T, double E, and this is the spelling of number 18. Okay, so read with me: E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. Okay, these two dashes are called equal. Equal. After equal, you have to write straight 1 and touch the line. And with 1, you have to write 8. So this is number 18's spelling. Now you will leave the one block and write here another E and complete the spelling of 18. So leave the one line and write down the spelling. Then your work will be neat and tidy. So this is today you have learned the spelling of number 18. Write down your work in your copy neat and tidy, and inshallah I will check your work in the class and you have to learn it. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.